Hi, I'm Marcello, the co-founder of Miler. We say Miler. It's a city-to-city carpooling app developed in Australia. We're just launching overseas now. I would like to know if my team is not here. We've been through a startup accelerator in Byron Bay, Australia, and we have a team of developers and very good designers. And they're not here tonight, but they will be looking at the presentation. Which problem are you solving? How many times do you find yourself stuck in the traffic, and how many times you had spare seats in your car? Well, especially in Australia, we have this problem many times, and I see that also in California and other parts of the world there's this problem. That's why we decided to create Miler, which is a city-to-city carpooling experience. With our mobile app, we allow drivers to post their rides, and users can share the costs. Users can share the costs, and we have an integrated payment system embedded in the app. One important thing is that people engaging with the app and the community mobilizers can actually make money out of the app by using and sharing the app over time. Which are our customers? Our customers include city-to-city drivers, commuters, students, travelers, even goers. We have so many potential customers. One of the biggest questions about these type of applications is it safe? Well, we've done our best to make it safe by creating a system of reviews and ratings, by using social media login, by using PayPal and credit cards for to check on the payment background. Phone verification, driver license, and we're also using other specific API which allow drivers and passengers to verify their ratings over the web. What's our business model? Our business model, as Ryan said before, we were talking about Uber. Well, we take a fee out of transactions. We have a fixed fee or a percentage. We have a very solid backend which allows us to set up fixed or percentage fees in payments and payout in different regions. And potentially, if the user base is big enough, we can also consider add some homepage, because the homepage is location-based, so we may consider that as well. We have a very effective system for engaging with the app, for users to engage with the app. We call it Frequent Miler, but basically it's a system to earn credits. With this system, we allow users to share promo codes, but by sharing the promo code, we don't just send money, but we also log the user to the actual promoter, and in that way, the promoter can make money over time by connecting with that user. So, for example, we can have a contract with that promoter of about 1 year or 2 years. We still have to decide those things, where he will take the fees, part of the fees out of the transaction. So he will act as us as a promoter. And he will also be able to pull out money after a certain amount of money is accumulated in his credit. What's our market? Well, phase one was MVP and product market fit in Australia. At this stage, we have about 300 users, and we're focusing on a region between, I'm not sure if you guys are Australia, but between Byron Bay and the Sunshine Coast, close to Brisbane. It's a very popular region, and there's a lot of commuters over there. In phase two, at this stage, we are looking at expanding our operations in Australia and New Zealand, and landing in the US and other very good markets. The US is a good market for some reasons, but less good for other reasons. For example, for the fact that the cost of gas is pretty low, but Southern European markets, I'm Italian, so I know those markets very well. Southern European markets are pretty good. South America or emerging markets are pretty good as well, and potentially in the long run also Southeast Asia. It's a very big global market with an estimated size of, we can call it 1.5 billion. Well, we can do a lot of guess numbers with that. And this business potentially can grow up to a business which is very, very big. How are we thinking to support our growth? Well, instead of targeting and entering countries, we want to target routes. For example, we want to target a route in between San Diego and LA in in the States, or between Milan and Genoa in Italy, or between Madrid and Barcelona in Spain. So target specific routes, which allow us to verify the targeting of region and do parallel testing between different regions instead of focusing on only one country. Clearly, we want to engage with community mobilizers, to spend money on digital marketing, create partnership with colleges and festivals, and also promote work hard on our promo code in the system where community mobilizers are actually part of the business and make money. In this way, we are able to actually expand our operation faster. So at this stage, we have been, after going through the Startup Accelerator, we developed our MVP and we got market fit. We raised $40,000 in the seed round, and we're currently raising $500,000 to bring this product to the market in Australia and overseas. And especially we want to start working in America and start working in Southern Europe. Thanks.